Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Essentialism, the disciplined pursuit of less by Greg McKeown. In this video, we'll provide you with a detailed summary of this fantastic book and explore its key concepts. If you're looking to streamline your life, improve your focus, and make better decisions, then this book is for you. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the book's content, let's take a moment to understand the author and his motivations. Greg McKeown is a leadership and business strategist who has dedicated his work to helping individuals and organizations make essential contributions. He observed that in today's fast-paced world, people often feel overwhelmed and spread thin due to an excessive number of commitments, choices, and distractions. The problem essentialism, the disciplined pursuit of less, addresses the problem of too many options and demands on our time, energy, and resources. McKeown argues that most people fall into the non-essentialist mindset, which leads to a lack of focus, burnout, and mediocre results. The book offers a systematic approach to break free from this cycle and embrace essentialism. Defining essentialism: essentialism is about making deliberate choices and living by design rather than default. It involves discerning the vital few from the trivial many, and eliminating or minimizing non-essential activities, commitments, and distractions. By doing so, you create space and resources for the things that truly matter. Key concepts: the importance of saying no. One of the fundamental principles of essentialism is the power of saying no. McKeown emphasizes that saying no to non-essential tasks, requests, and opportunities is crucial to protect your time and energy for the things that align with your priorities. The pursuit of less but better. Essentialism is not about doing more in less time. It's about doing fewer things but doing them better. By focusing on the essential few, you can allocate your resources effectively and achieve remarkable results. The power of trade-offs. To become an essentialist, you must be willing to make trade-offs. McKeown emphasizes that everything has a trade-off, and by making conscious choices, you can allocate your time and energy towards the activities that truly matter. Creating space for exploration. Essentialism encourages creating space for exploration and play. By embracing periods of rest, reflection, and curiosity, you can uncover new insights and opportunities that can have a profound impact on your life and work. Implementing essentialism. Now that we've explored the key concepts, let's discuss how to implement essentialism in your life. Define your essential intent. Start by defining your essential intent, which involves clarifying your purpose, values, and long-term goals. This clarity will serve as a compass to guide your decision-making process. Eliminate the non-essential. Identify the non-essential activities, commitments, and distractions in your life. Learn to say no to them. Delegate or automate tasks whenever possible, and focus on what truly matters. Prioritize with purpose. Once you've eliminated the non-essential, prioritize your time and energy on the activities that align with your essential intent. Be selective, and don't spread yourself too thin. Create a routine of review. Regularly review your progress and reassess your priorities. This practice ensures that you stay on track and make necessary adjustments as circumstances change. Conclusion. And there you have it, a detailed summary of Essentialism, the disciplined pursuit of less by Greg McKeown. By embracing essentialism, you can lead a more meaningful and focused life by eliminating distractions, making deliberate choices, and investing your time and energy in what truly matters. Remember, it's not about doing more, but doing less, and doing it better. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and personal development content. Also, let us know in the comments if you've read Essentialism or if you plan to add it to your reading list. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.